လာပါရှင် Glory English Language Academy ကနေပြန်လည်ကြိုဆိုလိုက်ပါတယ်ဒီကနေ့ reading lesson မှာ superlatives တွေပါတယ်ဖတ်စစ်တစ်ပုဒ်ကိုဖတ်ကြည့်အောင်ဖတ်စီရဲ့ title က The Sick Route by Tour instruction ကိုရင်ဖတ်ကြည့်အောင် read the article ကိုဖတ်မယ် Are sentences 1-6 true T or false F sentences 1 to 6 ကမှန်တယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင် T လို့ရေးရမယ်မှားတယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင် F လို့ရေးပေးရမယ်1 to 6 statement တွေကိုအရင်ဖတ်ကြည့်အောင် The Sikh route travels through 7 countries in 80 weeks. Number 2, a bicycle is faster than a camel. Number 3, the tour starts in Istanbul and ends in Shanghai. Number 4, cyclists stay in hotels and camps. Number 5, they take turns cooking dinner every evening. Number 6, one cyclist thought the snow and the hills were the best things. Let's go fast. The Sikh route bike tour. Is it the greatest journey in the world? The company calls it the longest, hardest, highest, coldest bicycle tour in the world. In 18 weeks, you travel over 12,000 kilometers through 7 different countries and have the most exciting ride of your life. Text him out. 18 weeks လို့ပြောထားလို့ number 1 က F ဆက်ဖတ်ကြည့်အောင် 1,000 years ago people went by camel and did about 25 kilometers a day says Nati Cavalieri one of the Sikh route tour staff but on a bike you do 25 kilometers in an hour bicycle ကပုံမြန်လို့ number 2 က true and along the way you see some of the most beautiful places in the world from Shanghai you go across Asia through Iran and arrive in Istanbul Turkey at the end text မှာ Shanghai ကစပြီးတော့ Istanbul မှာဆုံးတယ်လို့ပြောထားတဲ့အတွက် number 3 က false You travel across the deserts of China and cycle Palmer Highway to over 4,600 meters across the roof of the world in the mountains of Tajikistan. On the way, there are villages, markets, and Asian buildings. At night, you stay in Asian roadsides, hotels, or in camps. That's why number 4 got true. A chef cooks dinner for about half of the 133 days. On other days, cyclists can eat in local restaurants or shop in local markets for their food. The lazy ညနေစာချက်တယ်လို့ပြောထားတဲ့အတွက် number 5 က false. ဆက်ဖတ်ကြည့်အောင် One cyclist blog The best thing was the friendliness of the people, and the worst thing, the snow and the cold in the Palmers. Text him out. The best thing was the friendliness of the people. Look your target. Number 6 got false. Now some paragraph go So is it the greatest journey in the world? Cyclist and blogger Mike McDonald think so. The Sikh route is a true expectation. It is long and difficult, but it's such an amazing experience that you arrive in Istanbul a completely changed person. ဒီနေ့သင်ခန်းစာတော့ဒီလောက်ပါပဲ lesson 7.6 မှာပြန်ဆောင်ရအောင်အားလုံးကိုကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ရှင်